marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., a line of thunderstorms, located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles northeast of Sheboygan to 8 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant Prairie, moving northeast at 60 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Williamsport, Little Sable Point, Wind Point, the Ludington Light, the White Lake Pier Heads, the Pentwater Pier Heads, Manistee Lighthouse, Manistee, Portage Lake, Big Sable Point, Pierport, North Point Lighthouse, the Muskegon Light, Winthrop Harbor, Arcadia and Port Washington. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.